Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Boldly Goes Modelworks, and we've got first of two inbox reviews for you today. This one is Tamiya's 1/48 scale military miniature series number 6 PKW K2S Schwimmwagen type 166. 2004 Tamiya. It's quite an oldie but goldie. One colour scheme there. Another colour scheme there. And a colour scheme there, and some little bits of information on the Schwimmwagen there. Nice little diagram of it showing it becoming a boat. And without further ado, I shall open the box. It's an end opening box. That's very different for a Tamiya. And we'll get the little box of sprues out and the instruction book of that. We'll put this down on the floor, and we shall open up this. Oh dear, it's a long one, said the nun to the bishop. Right, this bit has the history of the Schwimmwagen. Length 82mm. It's a little one. Core, it has the high heady performance of 25 horsepower. Basically, it's a beetle that can swim. Colours: Dunkelgelb, blah blah blah. And so this is dark yellow version. Dark yellow, and to be honest, I don't know what's that. It doesn't state what colour those. Oh, XF61. XF61 is dark green. So green and yellow versions there. First part, assembling the chassis, building up the axle, rear suspension, this lever arm suspension for the back. 2 is assembling the wheels, fairly straightforward. Putting on the skid plate. Yes, you can look. It's very familiar to do this. Building up the seats, the interior, plonking this interior in. Building up the top here, fitting the upper body. Again, you've got to put some little deep decals in there. And then 5, attaching the accessories, lots of greebles. Again, it may look familiar because it is basically like a Schwimmwagen, floating Schwimmwagen. Again, putting the exhaust on and putting the little prop in place, so that shows it deployed, doesn't it? And that's it on the instructions. Mercifully, there's only one big bag, which I shall open now. Rustle, rustle, rustle. Get those 2 sprues out here. This one off screen because it's got the decal scheme, making sure there's nothing naughty on there. We don't want that, making sure the bag's empty. Right, let's have a look at the sprues. Now this is the A sprue, as you can see, the wheels, again, they're very much like those on the Schwimmwagen. Well, yeah. Again, the duck boards in the interior. Little bits of slide moulding. I mean, again, this is a 22-year-old tooling, believe it or not. It's 2004. So, been a while since I've had something this old. Model kit, that is. B-sprue. Again, this has got your bits of your interior, your seats. Nice moulding there. A little bit of ejector pins on there. You're not going to see them. Your big oar. You are. And all your bits and pieces in here. So that's pretty cool. And let's just open this plastic bag because there's some glazing in here, as well as the decals. We'll have a look at the decals in a second. Windscreen. Nothing to it. Nice and clear. Job done with that. Let's plonk it down and sit it down that way. And let's lift the little decal sheet out. So we've got lots of different numbers, registration plates, identification. So we've got a few options to do, and a few regiments. Again, they're nice, they're thick, but they're small. Let's take the sprue staple out there. Put the glazing back in. And plop that up. So right, that's the first inbox review. I'll pause it there and set it up for the next box, and I'll see you in a bit. And we're back. This is Tamiya's 1/48 scale miniature series, number 17. It's the Citroen Traction 11 CV staff car. Again, it shows it's got three options because it shows it as a civilian vehicle, French and German. So, again, the French Army early on that version, that side, and the French civilian version and the German version. And this is 2005, so it's a 21-year-old tooling. So without further ado, let's pop this box open. Oh god. And we have 1.5 sprues here technically. So right. That's it. And we shall have a look at the blurb here. Boom. Nice long bit of blurb, and well, we've got a lot of got 4 versions. Obviously I will do a civilian one, just to be different. Basically building up the chassis. Otherwise you've got to be careful with the which option you do. So you choose your bits carefully. Has a sort of a chrome silver things for the civilian version. Building up the body, got to paint the body first, the interior, plump the glazing in. Obviously sorting out the front glazing. You've got to do a nice chrome rim of the window frame. Putting the body on, sorting out the infamous Citroen grille. Building the number plate bit for the back, spare wheel. Putting that all on, chrome detailing on the bonnet. Yeah, looks quite interesting. So, without further ado, I will get a little Citroen out of the bag. Now that is a beautiful little moulding. Nicely moulded. Beautifully moulded. This has. I'm trying to look for the seam lines actually, where it's being slide, because this has been slide moulded, obviously. I can't see. Oh, I know what they've done. They've literally put them in there as the trim. That's really cool. And the hinges on the thing. That's really clever. Really clever. That's really cool. That's really cool. Put that in the bag. And this one, yes, we've got 2 sprues in here. We've got the baggie there. And we have the A sprue and the B sprue. So this bit has the chassis, the front mud guards or wheel arches, the seats, the wheels, spare wheel, and all the greeblies in there. And then this one has the iconic grille. And you can have some fun picking that out in chrome or silver, whatever, whichever way you choose. Obviously the back, again, it's got all the detail on this. Is nice simple kit. Very well thought out of, very well made. Again, like the little boom. So this one will literally be a bit longer than about, I think it's a little bit longer than that. Well, actually the chassis is here. That's the bit with all the extremities on it. It's got mudguards and everything. Sorry, bumpers. So yeah, cool. Put that back in the box. So that's the A and the B sprue. And we'll have a look at the glazing because we want to do that, making sure the what's this out there? I've dropped the in. I just paused it there.